This was my balcony. Cold, echoey, unloved, kind of like my current love life. But at least one of these I can fix. And guess what? It's not my love life. Anyway, I found these interlocking deck tiles. No tools, no screws, just snap and go. Basically the Lego therapy I didn't know I needed. And what started out as a space telling me to kick rocks is now inviting me in for a warm hug. And guess what? I needed it. Now the feedback. Some seams showed, and a few corners had trust issues. Kept their distance. Get it? The layout didn't line up perfectly, so I got creative. Filled the gaps with rocks and tile bricks. Now, not gonna lie, chef's kiss. I mean, come on. Looks like I meant to do that. Right? Moving on, and now, the finished look. Now, my final 3 verdict. Pros: quick install, clean drainage, and affordable glow up. Cons: stiff plastic, minor gaps if not measured right. Rating: 8.1 out of 10. P.S. If you're wanting the complete look for the supporting cast, you'll find the outdoor rug, 5-piece wicker set, storage table, balcony foldable table, Govee door light, candle lights, and the checkered outdoor pillows. All tagged down below. And if you enjoyed this, check out why I got the folding table, top right, or check out my design playlist.